Yeah, so the talk was about the major issue that we have in melanoma now, that we have very good first-line therapies with checkpoint inhibitors, but it's not all patients who actually benefit from it. So what are we going to do with those patients? And we have at the moment several combinations for melanoma, both the anti-LAG3 in combination with nivolumab and also the ipilimumab and nivolumab. And which one are we going to choose? And that depends not only on the metastatic situation, but also like parameters like PD-L1 expression, if they have brain metastasis, if they have poor performance status, and so on. So we normally, for the majority of patients, we pick a combination therapy for first line. And if they're not tolerable for the patient, we use monotherapy with an anti-PD-1. But after that, we need to have some new good choices also. Yeah.